Hey everyone, it's Amit Kumar Ghosh here, software development engineer, mentor, and vice president at Scholar. Today, I want to share something really special with you. Have you ever felt lost or overwhelmed while learning to code? Or maybe you have been coding for a while but still feel like you are missing something. Trust me, I have been there. If I knew these 12 lessons earlier in my programming journey, things would have been a lot smoother. So let's dive in and uncover these gems that can transform your coding journey. Lesson number 1. The importance of mastering the basics. Let's start with the foundation. When I began coding, I often tried to jump straight into the advanced stuff without really understanding the basics. But here's the thing. If you don't have a solid grasp of the basics, everything else will crumble. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, right? Mastering basics like variables, loops, and conditionals is crucial. But don't stop there. Make sure you have a good understanding of data structures and algorithm, object-oriented programming, and database management systems. These are the building block of any programming language and will make your life a lot easier. Here's a practical tip for you. Dive into resources like Cracking the Coding Interview for algorithms and data structure. For OOP, consider books like Design Patterns, Element of Reusable, Object-Oriented Software. Practice is key. So make sure to work on small projects to solidify these concepts. Lesson number 2. The power of debugging skills. Debugging, the bane of every programmer's existence. But here is the truth. Debugging is where you really learn how code works. When you encounter a bug, it's not the end of the world. It's an opportunity to learn. Adopt a systematic approach to debugging. Start by isolating the issue, then use print statement or a debugger tool to trace through your code. Tools like Visual Studio Code and Python have excellent debugging features. Remember, patience is the key. Every bug you fix makes you a better coder. Lesson number 3. Writing clean and reusable code. Imagine you are working on a project with our team and you have to decipher someone else's code. Frustrating, right? Writing clean and readable code isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for collaboration and maintenance. Use meaningful variable names, write comments where necessary, and follow consistent naming conventions. Tools like Prettier and ESLint can help maintain code quality. Remember, your code should be self-explanatory to someone else or even to you 6 months down the line. Lesson number 4. The benefit of version control. When I first started, I had no idea what version control was. Big mistake. Version control systems like Git are lifesavers. They allow you to keep track of changes, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions if something goes wrong. Start with the basics, learn how to initialize a repository, commit changes, and push to a remote repository like GitHub. Once you are comfortable, explore branching, merging, pull requests. GitHub also offers a lot of free resources and tutorials to get you started. Lesson number 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. The tech industry evolves at a breakneck pace. What's hot today might be obsolete tomorrow. Continuous learning isn't just beneficial, it's necessary. Make learning a habit. Follow tech blogs, attend webinars, and take online courses from platforms like ScholarHat, Coursera, Udemy, and Pluralsight. Offer excellent courses on latest technologies. Join communities on Reddit, Stack Overflow, and GitHub to stay updated and learn from others. Lesson number 6. The value of building real-world projects. Here is important, but real-world experience is invaluable. Working on real projects helps you apply what you have learned. face real challenges, and build a portfolio that can impress potential employers. Start small, build a personal website, a to-do app, or a simple game. As you grow more confident, tackle bigger projects, participate in hackathons, or contribute to open source projects on GitHub. Real world experience teaches you things no text ever will. Lesson number 7, the importance of soft skill. You might be coding wizard, but if you can't communicate effectively or work well with others, you will struggle in your professional world. Soft skills are like communication, teamwork, and problem solving are just as important as your technical skills. Practice your communication skills by explaining your code thought process to others. Work on group projects to improve teamwork, and always approach problem with a positive can-do attitude. Remember, soft skills can be learned and improved just like technical skills. Lesson number 8, effective time management. Time management is crucial, especially when you are juggling learning, projects, and maybe even in a job. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but with good time management, you can make steady progress without burning out. Set clear goals and break them down into manageable tasks. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of your progress. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. And don't forget to take breaks and recharge. Your brain needs rest to function optimally. Lesson 9, the role of community and mentorship. Being part of a community and having a mentor can accelerate your learning and provide invaluable support. Communities offer a space to share knowledge, ask questions, and find inspirations. Mentors provide guidance, feedback, and encouragement. Join online communities like Stack Overflow, Twitter, Reddit, and GitHub. Attend local meetups and tech conferences. If you're looking for a mentor, consider reaching out to professionals on LinkedIn or join mentorship program offered by organizations like Women Who Can Code or Code.org. Lesson number 10, don't make big tech your life goal. While working at a big tech companies like Google or Facebook is prestigious, it's not the only path to fulfill your career. Smaller companies, startups, and even non-tech industries offer great opportunities and often provide a better work-life balance. Explore diverse career paths. Consider what you value most, whether it's the company culture, work-life balance, or type of projects you will be working on. Sometimes a smaller company or a startup can offer more learning opportunities and a closer knit team environment. Lesson number 11, real world experience is essential. Don't just rely on textbooks and online courses. Gain hands-on experience through internships, freelancing, or open source projects. This not only enhances your skills, but also make you more adaptable and better prepared for real-world challenges. Seek out internships and freelance opportunities to get a taste of real-world programming. Contribute to open source projects in a great way to gain experience and build a portfolio. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find a freelancing gig. Lesson number 12, specialize but start as a generalist. In the beginning, explore various areas of programming. Once you have got a good grasp of the basics, start focusing on a specific niche that you are passionate about. Specializing makes you an expert and increase your value in the industry. Experiment with different fields like web development, app development, data science, and more. Once you find what excites you, dive deeper. Take advanced courses, work on specialized projects, and keep up with the latest trend in the field. So there you have it, 12 programming lessons I wish I knew earlier. Remember, learning to code is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, is progress. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They are just part of the process. Apply this lesson, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might get benefit from it. What programming lessons you have learned along the way? Share them in the comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Happy coding and see you in the next video.